Hey guys, Will here at a property we just closed on. We're going to start the renovation today, so I wanted to do a quick walkthrough so you guys can see what it looks like before we do the work and what it looks like after we finish. So when you walk into the house, you're going to see there's a lot of clutter. It has been vacant for a long time. So the first thing we need to do is get a dumpster out here, have the contractors do the demolition, also clear out the clutter. And as we come into the first bedroom, you're going to notice that every bedroom pretty much that you take on as far as turnover will need carpet and paint. This room's no exception. The carpet and paint both need to be redone, and that's going to make the room very new feeling and have a brand new smell. So this bedroom's really similar to the first bedroom. Carpet and paint are a must, but there's also another issue in here that I'm about to show you. So when you come look at the floor here, we ripped up the carpet because we noticed it felt a little bit uneven. And then when we actually looked at it, you can see that they kind of makeshift fix this. So we're gonna need to even that out, put some more wood down there, and then put some carpet on top. Hopefully it'll be totally even by the time we finish that. So in the hallway here, we got a couple issues. Obviously the flooring is gonna need to be replaced. Paint this whole ceiling, fix the light fixtures, and probably throw in a new water heater as well. Just when you think it's going to be an easy renovation, we come into the kitchen. You can see it's kind of a disaster. We're going to need new countertops, new sink. Hopefully we can salvage these cabinets. Once again, the floor is a little bit uneven, so we'll need to fix that. Probably put some real tile instead of this vinyl tile on the full floor in here, and also replace this back door that seems to be damaged. After we do all that, it's going to be worth the money because this is going to be a kitchen that's almost brand new and the tenants are going to love it. So our second huge expense here is going to be the bathroom. I can't even fit in with the cameraman, so we're going to have to send him into the abyss here. Now this thing is going to need a full renovation. We'll start with a brand new tub, toilet, vanity, and mirror. Not much worth saving in here. So hopefully the tenant comes in here, they appreciate, the full new bathroom, and that adds a lot to our rent value. Hey guys, we're putting the finishing touch on the house we started a couple weeks ago. Just wanted to do a final walkthrough with you. We started with the hallway area, had to fix a lot of this subfloor, but we did retile it. And as you can see, we're putting in the final light fixtures here. So this should be done pretty soon. So in the bedrooms, we put in new windows, new light fixtures, and we repainted. Of course, you got to put in new carpet. Of course, the bathroom and the kitchen are our main focus. So let's check out the bathroom we did. The bathroom we did from the ground up. You've seen the video where, it's pretty much nothing but rotten wood on the floor, so we really had to do this 100%. So everything's brand new. Hopefully the tenant will love it. Then, if you walk in here to the kitchen with us, you can see we pretty much had to do the same thing in the kitchen because there was a lot of really rotten subfloor, so we pretty much had to go from the ground up. We did save the cabinets at the request of our client, but they do look pretty good. So you'll have the stove here, washer and dryer here, and then fridge right where I'm standing. But we did replace the windows and doors in here as well. So this will be a nice little area for them to eat and cook. And hopefully they'll love their new kitchen.